ka-soldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita naman namin sa inyo ay anti-fatigue mat. Ito po ay ESD safe or anti-static. Fit po sa mga manufacturing, especially sa mga electronics since anti-static po siya. ESD safe. Anti-fatigue mat is legal requirement by DOLE-DO 18417 and DO 17817 for prolonged sitting and standing tasks. So, required po siya ng mga government inspectors sa mga manufacturing. Ang main purpose po, as its name suggests, is para po hindi masyadong mapagod yung paa po ng mga workers if matagal nakaupo or nakatayo sa production. Pag umapak po kayo dito is nagbabounce po kayo ng konti. So, nare-relax yung katawan. Then, ito po yung small, pang solo. Yung size po ng anti-fatigue mat, 600 by 450 by 17 mm. Yan po ang small natin na anti-fatigue mat. Then, ito po yung malaki. Doble po for 2 people. Ang size po niya ay 600 mm by 900 mm by 17 mm thickness. Yan po yung malaki nating anti-fatigue mat. Yung specs po is nasa description. Pakibasa na lang po mga ka-soldering. Ayan po ang ating anti-fatigue mat. May small at meron din tayong malaki for 2 people. Guys, yan ang ating anti-fatigue mat. So, ginagamit siya pang electronics company. So, what is the use of anti-fatigue mat? Anti-fatigue mats are designed to provide comfort and support while standing for extended periods. They are used to reduce fatigue and discomfort in the legs, back, and feet by providing cushioning and encouraging subtle movement. This is beneficial for people who work on their feet for long hours, such as those in manufacturing, healthcare, or retail. The mats also help improve posture and circulation. So, ayun lang mga ka-soldering. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account.